Can you believe that? I just built my own AI image generator app, and it's powered by Google Nano Banana. Yes, Nano Banana, the tool that's trending everywhere on Google and being called a Photoshop killer. With this app, I can generate stunning images, edit them instantly, and the results are just insane. You don't have to spend hours editing or designing. Everything happens in seconds, right at your fingertips. But wait, it doesn't stop there. You can also create your own tools. A video generator like VO3, your own apps, games, websites, dashboards, presentations, basically anything you can imagine you can build here. And the best part, you don't need any coding skills, no hiring developers, and no complicated setups. Just one simple tool and you're ready to bring your ideas to life. This is perfect for creators, freelancers, students, or anyone who wants to build something powerful without wasting hours of work. Imagine having the ability to design, edit, and launch your own apps all by yourself with just a few clicks. So, are you ready? Let's dive in and I'll show you step by step how you can build your very own app just like I did with my image generator powered by Google Nano Banana. All right, let's get started. First, open the tool link from the video description. It will take you directly to the homepage. The platform we're using is called YouWare. With YouWare, you can build complete apps, websites, games, or anything you can imagine. And the best part, it's super user-friendly. You don't need to write complicated code, just talk with the AI, and it builds everything for you. Before we dive in, the first step is to sign in. You can use your email or Google account. It only takes a moment. After signing in, YouWare gives you free credits, which are enough to create your very first app from start to finish. On the homepage, you'll see trending projects created by other members. It's like stepping into a creative marketplace full of ready-made apps. For example, someone might have built a VO3 video generator, and you can use it instantly. Or you might notice the new internet trend, 3D figures and their animated videos, and yes, you can also create those here with just one click. And here's the exciting part. You're not limited to only building from scratch. There's a shortcut that lets you save time, and I'll reveal that later in this video. But first, I'll show you the full process step by step. So, we're gonna build an AI image generator app that has the Nano Banana model integrated inside it. This means you'll be able to generate brand new images and also edit them creatively in just a few clicks. It's not just a basic generator. Nano Banana gives you extra flexibility and control, so you'll learn exactly how everything works from the ground up. To start, click on Create, and the prompt box will open. But before we type anything, notice the MCP tool icon here. Click on it, and you'll see a list of tools available: AI apps, animation library, image generator, icon library, Figma, Notion, and more. Now, you need to add the tools you want to use in your project. For this app, I'll add AI app and image generator, and you can add anything else you need. Just click the plus icon and the tool is instantly added to your MCP tool list. After adding all the tools you need, now you can enter your prompt. Describe exactly what you want to build, like the features, design, and functionality for your image generator app. All right, guys, now that we've added our tools and entered our prompt, let's click on Generate. And just like that, the AI starts building our app. It's thinking, installing code, editing, and building our app like a professional developer, all automatically. It will take a little time, maybe a minute or less. Once it's done, you'll see a page like this. Now comes an important step: requesting your API key. Don't worry, it's super simple. On the interface, look at the right side in the chat box. Here, you just type a prompt requesting your API key. For example, I'll write, kindly integrate the Google Nano Banana API key into my app, and just like that, the AI will handle it and integrate the key for you. After a short moment, your app is ready. You'll see the interface fully loaded, and if you face any errors or issues, just chat with the AI, tell it what's wrong, and it will fix it instantly. All right, look at that. Our image generator app with Nano Banana is fully ready to use. Now let's test it and see how it works. First, we'll generate an image. I'll give a short description for the image I want and then just click Generate Image. Just give it a few moments, and there it is. Take a look at how awesome our image turned out. Now, since our tool is integrated with Nano Banana, we can also edit this image directly. Let's see how that works. To edit, I upload the image we just generated. Next, we give the AI an instruction. For example, I want to remove the cat from my image but keep everything else consistent. I just type the instruction and then click Edit Image. Wait a few moments and look at this. The AI followed the instruction perfectly. The cat is gone and everything else in the image stayed exactly the same. The tool handled our edit smoothly, keeping everything consistent while applying our changes. This is really impressive. All right, guys, let's try out some more examples. Here, you can see a few images I've created and edited in my tool. Just look at how perfectly it handles everything. Now, imagine how easy it is to edit images with Nano Banana. Seriously, it's amazing. Think about it. I have my own app where I can edit images with just one click. I can move my characters, add new objects, and remove anything I don't want, take character shot from different angles, and even change expressions of my character. And that's not all. The possibilities are endless. You can create, modify, and experiment with your images in ways that were impossible before. Just imagine all the creative opportunities at your fingertips. And here's a little tip for you. If you want your app to look even better, try using the Boost feature. Simply click on it, and it will instantly improve the look and feel of your project's UI. It's a quick way to make your app more professional and visually attractive without doing any extra work. Just look at this. It feels like some professional AI tool which a big web developer has built, and thousands of dollars were spent to make it. But the truth is, I created this whole app in just one click, and I also tried it, and it works in such an awesome way. All right, guys, now comes the exciting part, how you can take shortcut method to build an app. For example, I'm going to publish my project. I just click publish, and now my tool is live. Anyone can use it. If you want to try my app, I'm sharing the link in my Telegram group, so you can check it out and use it anytime. Now, imagine you see an app you like and want to create something similar. Just open that app and click the Build on this tab. When you do, the AI will copy all the features of that tool and build a new project for you. But here's the best part, it's now your project. From here, you can tweak it however you like. Want a dark theme? Add an image enhancer? Integrate a video model like VEO3? You have full access and freedom to modify your app exactly how you want. Basically, you can take inspiration from any project, clone it instantly, and then make it completely unique with your own creativity. The possibilities are endless. And here's the exciting update. YouWare has just launched a brand new wallet feature. This means that when you publish your apps or tools on the platform and other members start using them, you can actually earn real money. Whenever people use your project, the earnings will go directly into your wallet. So, if you want to become a creator, just publish your app, and you'll not only build amazing tools, but also start earning money while others enjoy your work. All right, guys, that's all for today's tutorial. We showed you how to build your own app step by step and demonstrated a live example by creating an image generator app integrated with the Nano Banana model. You can see how smoothly it works. I hope everything is clear, but if you face any issues or errors, don't worry, you can leave a comment and we'll help you out. Also, make sure to tell us in the comments what type of tool or app you're thinking of building. We'd love to see your ideas. If you want to build your own app in this tool, the link is in the video description. And if you liked this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future tutorials like this. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much for your support and love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!